Metal clips you can use any time that you don't want any visual evidence of a fastener being on the A surface or the show side of the panel that you're trying to affix to the vehicle. There's hundreds of opportunities to use metal clips in a light vehicle.
Our metal clips are made here in the US of A. We have 2 locations, one's in Michigan and the other one's in Indiana. Our Michigan plant produces product like U-base fasteners, edge clips, as well as we assemble parts in-house as well. Our Indiana facility produces high retention fasteners, J-nuts, as well as V-bases and miscellaneous stampings, and we also do assemblies there.
It's important to select the right metal clip for the application because anytime clip comes loose, the panel comes loose. And most of the panels are in the interior of the vehicle, and so you run the risk of them becoming a projectile should they come loose.
Our metal clips are unique because they're designed for manufacturing as well as for our customer needs. We also do custom work that a catalog part may not provide. Not all of our parts are catalog parts. We do provide custom solutions. One of our benefits for our U-bases and high retention parts are when you install it, they have a nice audible click. When our customer installs a part, they know it's fully seated. Our clips here manufactured in Michigan are cam-driven force slides as well as a servo slide, which is a newer technology. Servo slides are a lot faster as well as more precise and accurate. Our Indiana plant produces metal clips off of aggressive dies.
Metal clips are a good alternative to, say, a U-base that is made from plastic. Plastic U-bases require a window in the rib tower, whereas a metal clip does not. The tier suppliers that typically would put the window in their rib tower, it's a costly slide, and sometimes you don't have the real estate to be able to put that window onto the rib tower. A good success story would be one of our OEM customers approached us. They used 40 clips in their interior, and they had 3 different part numbers. It was a hydroformed tube application that had varying material thicknesses across the tube, and so we were able to identify and develop one metal clip that worked across all of the different thicknesses that were part of the hydroform tube. And so in those 40 locations, we were able to commonize the 3 different part numbers they were using into one. That allowed them to have a higher volume product, which resulted in a more competitive cost, as well as it was a bill of material reduction for them having to only track one part number as opposed to 3.